So now what we're gonna do is go back to finishing the pineapple upside down cake, Cole. What he's got is the Big Green Egg mitt, and also the heat resistant silicone mitt. What's awesome about it is, realistically, every customer needs one of each of these. Here's why. If you notice, by having that egg mitt on, he has tactile response. His fingers are open, he can move. With the silicone mitt, he loses that, but what he gains is if he were to spill something that's liquid, it's not gonna go through the glove and still burn you. So he puts that down, uses that as an extra hot pad. He's got the butter melted in there. He's now going to take the Big Green Egg measuring cups. New item, everybody. Look at how nice those are. And he's going to scoop 1 cup of brown sugar. Now, just so you know, because these measuring cups have been endorsed by the United International Measurement System, they are actually approved for NASA. So he's going to dig in. I got land in Florida too, folks. So anyways, he dumped in the brown sugar. You're going to see him spread that out nice and evenly. And he's going to get that incorporated so it creates like a slurry. Then what we're going to do is once he gets it spread out, we take a can of pineapple rings, and you'll see it. And you got to make sure you save the juice. So he's not going to waste the juice. He's also got 3 eggs. Oh yeah, look at that. So he's going to pour the juice out because he's going to save that, because when you make a yellow cake mix, it asks for approximately a cup of water. You're going to substitute in the pineapple juice for this. So he's going to take those pineapple rings, he's going to layer them in on top of that butter brown sugar mixture, and he's going to go right around the horn and put those all in there. Then he's going to take maraschino cherries and he's going to put them in the center of each of those pineapple rings. I will tell you right now, I have young kids. They love when I do this. The first time I ever did it, I got a 4-year-old son there. Oh my goodness, Daddy, look at that. Because I said I had a surprise, you know, when you flip it over and you take out, oh my goodness, look at that, Dad. So now they always ask, are you going to do that? Are you going to do that? So again, you see that? Look at him getting in there. He's going to make it fit. Good job, Cole. So he's going to put the maraschino cherries in then.
What kind of classes could you use this for, Stu?
This would be on your baking class. So anything that's you could do along with the pizza, the calzone, anything like that, if you want to do that. Or here's a great one. You're going to do a holiday class this year, and you're going to show prime rib, or you're going to show turkey, and you want to make a dessert. When you see this get flipped out of here later, I mean, talk about holiday. I mean, look at it. Tell me that doesn't just say Christmas to you. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. Honestly, if it was about 90 until December 22nd, I think we'd all be happy. So he's just going to take the cake mix, make it the normal style way. So it's going to be 3 eggs. It's going to be approximately 1/3 of a cup of oil. And again, he's going to use those Big Green Egg measuring cups. Why? Because he knows that is exactly it. They actually measure nuclear radioactive material with those measuring cups. They're so precise and accurate. So he's going to take those. He's going to find the 3rd cup. He's going to take the oil, dump that in. He's then going to he already has the pineapple juice in, so he'll whisk that up. Notice that ergonomic handle on that measuring cup. No fatigue for the person that bakes a lot. Reduces carpal tunnel by 73% versus other measuring cups. So he's got those done. He's going to whisk that. Oh, he hasn't put the cake mix in, sorry. Oh yeah, that's that one again. Here, hold on. Right here, this Big Green Egg knife. Look at how easily it just goes through there. Like a hot knife through butter. That carbon fiber blade on there is amazing with Kevlar handle. There we go. So he's going to stir that up. He'll pour the batter in. And then this is the interesting thing. Because it's that nice enameled Dutch oven, it releases really easy. It cleans up easy. What's funny is I end up putting mine right through the dishwasher. So it's easy cleanup. Whereas regular cast iron, as you know, you'd got to hand wash, oil, and then put it away. So he's going to mix that up. He'll create the batter. He'll pour it in. The temperature you're going to look for in the Big Green Egg is 325 degrees. So if you look, this one here, we're running at about 340. That one will work just fine there, or that one too, and he'll end up putting that in the one that's right by him there. So he's got it mixed up. You then just simply pour the batter right over the top. Pours the batter in. Make sure that it's level, or evenly spread out. He's going to be careful. He'll use his pit mitt again, or his egg mitt, or his heat-resistant silicone mitt to be able to pick up that, because it may be hot still. Remember, we were in there melting that butter earlier. We don't want him to get a burnt hand. So he burps it, and now he's just going to put that up on that top level there. Be careful, you got your mitt. There you go, Cole. And he's set. And that'll take anywhere from about a half hour to 45 minutes. And just set it and forget it, and you're done.
So what Stu did there was put a little bit of oil on the top of the plancha. That just helps make it a little better non-stick. And we use grapeseed oil because it's got a higher sear point, so you don't have it start shooting fire at you as soon as you drop a little oil on there.
That's exactly right. It has a higher smoke point or flash point. And so what the concept is, Cole, when you can you shoot that with the temperature probe again and tell us what temperature plancha at approximately?
We're at about 650 degrees on the plancha.
Yep. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that steak now. We have it. And we're doing a reverse sear. He's going to put that down on there. Look at that, how that beautiful that looks. That's after about 30 seconds. He's going to flip it over, and on this back side, he's going to close the lid now, and we're going to let it keep going, but we're going to do it for approximately 1 minute on each side. This is a phenomenal way if you are into blackening. This is a great way of doing it without stinking up your house. If you think about what do people do when they blacken, take a cast iron pan, put the little oil in it with their blackening seasoning, and away they go. This is a great way of doing it.